It's Immobiliser fit. What we fitted today is a Starline i96 on this brand new Defender. The way the system works is uses the customer's phone or a PIN code to start the car. So if the customer's phone in here, give it a start. Starts up, we can select our gear, drive away. If the customer's phone's not here or they don't enter the PIN code, what will happen after 10 seconds of the phone disappearing, if you start the car up, you won't get your melody. Select your gear and you'll see the vehicle stalls, so it can't be driven away. In the instance where the phone's present, they can use their PIN code. So for that, it's ignition on. For now, we've set it to 1, 2, 3. Hear the melody. Start. Now select your gear. If your phone's present, you obviously don't need to go through the push sequence. Just have your phone in your pocket with Bluetooth on and you can drive away. If you wanted to take the car for a service, so you didn't want to give them the code or didn't want to give them your phone, this can be done through the app. So first of all, connect the phone up, turn your Bluetooth on, and you'll be greeted with this circle. The green basically means it's protected, so if you press and hold on that till it goes yellow and release, you'll get 2 bleeps, and that's in service mode. So release now, we'll get our 2 bleeps. So this is a normal car. So now if we turn the Bluetooth off, so the phone's not here, don't put in the PIN code, you'll see it will start and drive away as it would, so they can move it around the workshop. See, the car doesn't stall. So now when you get the car back, connect your phone back up, so just turn your Bluetooth on, it will connect straight away, and then just press and hold and wait till it goes green. Release, get your 2 bleeps, and this car's protected again. So if you want to test it, just either take your phone out of range or turn your Bluetooth off, wait about 10 seconds, and then start and select your gear. And you'll see it will stall. My name's Emilio, this is fitted by Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thank you.